So here is Mozi app, a place for your people. See friends as you Mozi about. So let's just take a look at this app. It's suddenly went to the top charts of social networking in the US App Store. Add your plans, see who you overlap with, stay close with far away friends. And then let's just see what this app is about. So I can just go and create an account just like that. Just sign in with Apple. So now you can just go and proceed with your account here. So know who's around wherever you are. Tell friends where you'll be and when. Easy access to all your people. Keep track of the things that matter, and then get started by adding a plan. So invite your friends. So you can just add a plan. What city are you going? So for example, you're going to whatever, Boston. So something like that. And then yeah, you can just save it. You have upcoming plans just like that. And then you can edit or delete it. Then you can invite friends. Then you can see your plans. And so yeah, know someone who lives here or has plans to visit, invite them to Mozi. So that's just how you can invite people. And then you just have it just like that. And then yeah, so kind of like meeting friends in real life. And then you can just add plans to a calendar, and you can check for new connections. It's kind of social media in real life. Quite interesting. See who is in the cities you love. So you're just traveling there, and then you want to see who is currently around, who is maybe also in that place. Maybe you can just get over a coffee, stay close with faraway friends. So you can just see who is in which city, see who you overlap with, and add your plans. And yeah, pretty interesting app. So that's what it is.